a new episode of Mika and Gabby's cooking show.
Today we're making Buko Pandan Filipino dessert.
Buko Pandan is a Filipino dessert that is made of young coconut shreds, and
Pandan is a type of plant that grows in the Philippines that you could use for rice or sometimes desserts.
Yep. So let's get on to the video.
Yay!
For the Buko Pandan dessert, you will need
sugar, gelatin, pandan extract, 2
Gabby,
wait!
Wait, that's table cream and this is condensed milk. What are you thinking? Okay, and this is also shredded coconut. The exact measurements will be up here.
Oh,
So let's start mixing. My mom just finished boiling our water, and now we're gonna start mixing our ingredients.
But be careful.
So, yeah, be really careful. So remember to follow the instructions behind or wherever you could find the instructions on your gelatin, because each Jello pack could be different. So we're gonna mix this one, the pandan mixture, and the sugar. Okay, so let's open the gelatin.
I found one. So. Oh, it's already turning into it.
Yes, and my mom is going to put this into the small our pan, and so then we don't burn each other.
My packet got wet.
Yep.
Okay,
Let's put in the sugar.
And then this.
Okay, put one. I'll put it, Gabba.
Okay. And just open it.
It's like one drop, right? Right, Mom?
Or 2.
All of it.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's as much as you need. Okay. Thank you. So when you put it in the pan, remember to what do we do for 3 hours, Dad?
We made it until it turns into a jello.
You heard our dad. The first time or 2.
After mixing and putting our mixture in the pan, we're gonna let it sit until it forms to a jello.
It already looks yummy. It has been more than 3 hours right now, so we're gonna cut the jello into cubes.
Okay, you start cutting.
Whoa!
Does it feel weird?
Yeah.
Try getting this part over here.
Okay.
I'll help you, Susie.
It's okay, Susie. I can do it.
Okay. Now we're done cutting. Now we're gonna mix the shredded coconut, the table cream, and the, what is it again? The
Condensed milk.
condensed milk. And we're gonna mix it from here, from all the way to here. So
Looks so jiggly.
I'll put this in like this.
Oh my goodness, is that? Oh, I thought it was solid.
Okay.
Can I do the last one, Susie?
Yes. But be really careful.
Okay.
Be sure to get everything out from the can.
Okay.
Oh, everything?
Okay. Oop. Can I do
Okay,
it?
that's good.
Oh, okay. I took some.
I think
I'm
that's
gonna eat
good.
the rest. Can I?
No,
Oh.
Now we're gonna mix it in.
not yet. Okay?
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it like this.
It got a little messy.
You like it, Gabby?
Uh-huh. I'm gonna want this up when it's done.
normally the shredded coconuts in the Philippines, they would be like fresh, or we would get it fresh, or it would be made fresh. But since we're in America, that won't work.
I know.
Where can they get it?
Philippines.
Yeah, Gabby,
Or
of
Philippines
course.
store.
No, Asian grocery store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna put more of this.
That's good, yeah.
Okay.
Just set it inside that. Yeah.
This is the finished product of Buko Pandan. Let's go taste it. Okay. I like the jello and don't like the inside cream because she doesn't have a sweet tooth. Hurry up, Sissy.
I'm waiting for you. Mmm.
What do you guys think?
Really good.
Like we made the banana bread.
I can taste
but not more.
the coconut.
Yeah. What else?
I can
Creamy?
and I could
I could taste the
and the jello is really soft.
Mm-hmm.
I want coconut.
Mm.
You think they should try that?
Mhm.
What do you think, Abby?
Yum.
I don't have a sweet tooth, so I wouldn't I wouldn't usually I wouldn't usually have something like this, but now I'm trying it and it's really good. So thumbs up.
Double
What about you?
thumbs up.
Oh, thumbs up.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you try out our recipe. And Gabby, what should they do?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and also comment down below if you made it before or no. This is yummy.
And also
I
comment
know.
if you like our recipe, if you made it. Bye, guys.